Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. This is my husband Kenny.
Hey guys.
We're gonna do a married Q&A today. It's been almost a year since we got married. August 2nd is our anniversary.
And we're excited to celebrate our anniversary in Punta Cana.
Yay,
So that's gonna be a good time.
So today's video is sponsored by HelloFresh. Thank you HelloFresh for sponsoring this video. We love using HelloFresh. We love their meals, right? Like we even buy it without sponsorship.
We've been on a HelloFresh binge. I think it's easier just because you really don't have to think about what you're gonna make for dinner. All the instructions are set out for you, and they definitely have a lot of new foods that many people haven't tried. So it's been pretty good to have some HelloFresh in our house.
We've been doing the vegetarian meals.
We have, so we're trying to eat a little cleaner, go more plant-based.
We're gonna do the triple mushroom truffle gnocchi. So we're gonna do this one today. We've tried it before and we love it.
It's really good.
It's so good. So we're gonna show you guys how we make it. Don't forget to use my code JulissaGuillen14 to get 14 free meals across 5 boxes. So check out all the info down below.
Alright guys, let's go right into the kitchen. So what we have going on here is some boiling water with some oil just to get the gnocchi warmed up. We're gonna start to let that boil soon. Everything comes in a bag. We got some scallions today.
Gnocchi right here. Mushrooms. And this is for 4 people, by the way. They have for 2 or 4 people. And we're just gonna save some for later. We got all the ingredients in here. So we're just cutting the tomatoes, scallions, the mushrooms, and I'm gonna put the gnocchi in the water.
What's our daily breakfast, Ben?
Avocado toast.
And I mean, how could you ever get tired of avocados, right?
We do eat it every day.
Tomatoes are chopped, babe. Next step is to melt a tablespoon of butter. We're gonna add the panko onto the pan with the butter melting.
So I am finally done chopping this.
All right, guys, we're gonna put the gnocchi in the pot of boiling water for only 3 to 4 minutes so it can be just right.
Oh, this is straight from Italy. Look at that.
The gnocchi italiano.
Coming straight from Italy. Nice.
The pasta.
Let me put a timer for 4 minutes because I don't want to overcook the gnocchi. This is a very quick meal. It's only gonna take us like 20 minutes to do this whole thing. All right, so we just put all the panko in a bowl. We're gonna save it for later, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave.
We're gonna add some mushrooms. Get that going with a little bit of olive oil in the pan so it can get a nice texture. We're gonna do some salt and pepper, guys. Bam! You already know. Bam! Bam! We're gonna just drain this water of gnocchi.
Gonna wash the mushrooms. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. 1/3 cup of water. So I'm gonna add all the cream cheese. Half of the cheese.
I really like the color that this is getting. Looks like it's gonna be a real nice creamy mushroom. A little bit of stock concentrate here. I know a lot of people don't like tomatoes when they're warm, but I love them.
Yeah, I love them. Okay, I think we're ready to plate everything.
Let's try the gnocchi italiano, the pasta. Gnocchi's really good, man.
Okay.
I think we're gonna have to go to Italy one day. Bubbly.
Nice. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. Okay, so let's answer some questions. How's marriage life going so far? You should make some videos with your hubby.
Well, you wanted it and we gave it to you. No, I'm kidding. Married life so far is amazing. Julissa and I chose to live together after we got married. We've only been living together for 10 months. It's interesting to know someone for so many years. When you guys wait and you move in together after marriage, you get to know that person on a deeper level. So it's been awesome so far.
I love it.
It's been awesome because all aspects of our lives have done well. I was able to work from home. I'm just glad to be a part of this, and it's a blessing to be able to work with your partner as a career and also just in marriage. And if you guys haven't yet, please check out the store julielimited.com.
So yeah, married life is good. You laugh a lot together.
We do laugh a lot. I think you laugh more than me though.
Yeah, I'm always so giggly. When are you gonna have a baby? P.S. Love your channel. Oh, thank you. Yeah, we want to have kids.
We do.
Maybe in like 2 years. You know, we just got married, you know, like 11 months ago.
Yeah.
So we want to travel a little bit. Went to DR, Spain, so I'm excited.
I think times have changed. Everyone watching this video, I can guarantee that your parents had you at a younger age and you're older than your parents were and you still don't have kids. I think people are really focusing on doing things in order or doing things with God's timing. And his timing is perfect. So honestly, if it were up to us, we would wait a bit. But if it happens tomorrow, babe,
yeah. We'll be happy.
Yeah, it'll be a blessing.
I love kids. He loves kids.
Yeah.
I think you're gonna be a good dad.
We want to have 4 kids. No, I'm just kidding.
Maybe like 3. I mean, we'll see. I feel like they'll be so cute with like curly hair.
What's the perfect number of kids to have? We're curious.
Congratulations. Are you both Catholic? We go to church on Sundays. It made us more like together and closer to God as like a couple.
Yeah, I guarantee you guys, a couple that prays together stays together.
¿Creen que algo ha cambiado en su relación desde que se casaron? If something has changed in a relationship ever since we got married, I feel like it's better.
But in good ways.
Yeah, we do everything together. Even like what we eat.
So if I eat a lot.
I eat a lot.
Something I realized too, what changed after we got married, is that when they say you become one, they literally mean you become one.
Even if you get sick, like I have to be careful so I don't get sick as well. Like you had poison ivy the other day and like I could have gotten it too.
Yeah.
Even the products that we use, like hair, like skin. ¿Qué te ha sorprendido más? Ay, hay mucha gente que lo en español. ¿Qué te dijeron que pasaría que no resultó así? What surprised me the most was that I didn't think that people would assume so much, like I'm always pregnant or that we want to have kids right away and stuff like that's like a question that's asked a lot. Kids are a blessing, obviously. But I didn't know that people were gonna like ask that so much after being married.
I think that people are telling you this or asking you this because they want us.
Yeah, like
to be
they're
pregnant.
Excited.
Yeah.
You know, and that's good.
I know. A little Julissa Kenny
Aww.
running around. Comment some baby names, guys. Eso me dijo más que te dijeron que pasaría que no resultó así.
I'll be honest though.
Yeah, it's hard.
Algo que me sorprendió is that I feel like some people have like kind of like a negative view of marriage a little bit, like ay, te casaste, prepárate, or this is gonna happen, now this is gonna happen. And it's like it's a good thing. So far it's like great.
I think a lot of people have had trauma
Yeah.
with their marriages or their marriages have failed. One thing I learned was that energy is transmitted through the words you say, through your perspective. And after getting married, I realized that I was able to discern or read someone's negativity right away. It's good to block that out. You set the tone, the energy of your house. And I can't get tired of saying that over and over again, guys. If you notice your brothers, your sisters, your parents are in a bad mood, maybe it's because you're in a bad mood and that stuff rubs off. So I've learned with you that if I'm having a bad day, I've noticed that you can get in a little bit of a bad mood because I'm not happy.
Yeah.
So I didn't expect that to be so important in the marriage, to just always
so
be
true.
positive.
And like motivate each other. Do you guys live in a house or apartment?
We bought a home. Some of the best investments Julissa has made in her life and me. So we love real estate. I'm very passionate about real estate and I really understand what it means to own something after years and have something to give down to your kids. So that was a priority for us. How crazy is that, guys? We bought a house before getting married, got married,
and then we moved in.
and then moved in together. That's amazing. It's been a blessing since, for sure.
What's your height difference? 5'3", 5'10", so
7
inches. Let's show them. Párate, babe, párate, para que yo vea. Un besito. No, babe.
When we met, I was shorter. I've grown.
I grew maybe like 1 inch.
I think you did too. You were shorter as well.
Yeah.
I'm grown now. We grown.
Man, what is the hardest part of being married?
When you get married, your friends and your family members, you know, her family, my friends, her friends, they go through the change with you. There are days where like we have to do something for the channel or we're working on a sponsorship or something.
Yeah, because now we have like responsibilities like here too. We have to work. And like clean and get stuff ready for videos or like organize stuff and edit, film. So
it's a lot of work.
Sometimes we gotta like stay home. We can't make it.
Yeah.
To like a dinner or something with the family.
I think that's been really hard to balance. Like.
But I think we've been pretty good with that because I mean we see our family like a lot.
We do. And we do spend
like
a lot
at
of time
least
with the family.
once a week, I guess.
Yeah. Skin and hair night routine now that you don't sleep alone.
You know, I have like a cute curly bun. I don't really wear makeup. when I'm home.
Which is great.
I feel comfortable around you like that.
You should make a video about that later on.
Yeah. What is the one thing you regret not doing at your wedding?
Take more pictures. Just enjoy the moment. You have to appreciate every second. It's a once in a lifetime moment, I have to admit.
It was fun. What was your favorite vacation with Kenny? I think the honeymoon was nice. Virginia
Beach, really?
And Miami, of course. The honeymoon just felt so fun because it was like our first vacation like that, you know, like married and like, you know. Yeah, it was fun.
Virginia Beach was awesome. And if you guys do have a chance, check out the Hilton.
Like right after the wedding, it was just like the vibe was just like so fun. Like it was just right. Like
it's very exciting.
Yeah, very exciting. Like a new chapter of your life.
How long did it take you to plan your wedding?
A year, but then we had to change it like the last 2 weeks before. We had to like order some stuff for the wedding, so that did take some time. We just had to postpone the venue, the place, like the last 2 weeks before the wedding.
Last question we have here, guys, is where are you from?
So my parents are Dominican. I was born in New York and now I live in Pennsylvania.
My mother is Puerto Rican and my father's Dominican. I was born in the Bronx, New York. I moved to Allentown when I was 12 and I live in Pennsylvania now. So we're Puerto Rican and Dominican and she's Dominican.
La mejor mezcla.
The best mix of the world, papi, ya tú sabes.
No, it is a pretty good mix. I'm not gonna lie.
Stop.
What? It's true. You got a nice mix going on. Whew,
don't gas me. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in this video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to Julissa's YouTube channel. If you guys still haven't hit the bell for notifications and you want to stay tuned for every upload, please hit that bell. If you guys don't follow us yet on socials, please follow Julissa Guillen on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Alright guys, we do want to shout out the one and only HelloFresh. If you guys do want 14 free meals, don't forget to use Julissa's code JulissaGillen14 and you will have 14 free meals throughout the 5 boxes that you order, only from HelloFresh. This is a limited time offer, guys, so
check
please
it out, guys.
Check it out.
We love HelloFresh.
Link is right below.
Totally recommend. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully with Kenny. We're gonna do some vlogs in Punta Cana and maybe Spain too. Okay, guys, we'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.